A warm good morning, a warm good morning to one and all present here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
The,
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
the,
Good morning, ma'am.
please mute your students.
Good
Please,
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
please
Good
mute
morning, ma'am.
yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
The change leads us to the new beginning. This inaugural of Nutella 2021 during this COVID pandemic period has given us the change of a new platform to begin our inaugural session. A warm good morning to one and all present here for this inaugural of Nutella 2021. Prayer is not asking, but prayer is putting oneself in the hands of God. Let's begin the occasion with a prayer song. To welcome is to show honor. To welcome is to establish integrity. Let me now invite Head of the Department, Dr. Kalaisalvi Madam, to welcome the gathering of this virtual meet.
Yeah, very good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to welcome our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Rachel Nancy Phillip, for the Virtual Association Inaugural of Nutella 2021. Our Principal Ma'am, she is the backbone and moreover a pillar of this college. Without her support, this program would not be possible. Once again, I welcome you, ma'am. I find immense pleasure in introducing Dr. A. Geeta, who has been working as a head and assistant professor of computer science in Chikana Government Arts and Science College, Tirupur. We are really thankful to her for taking the time out of her busy schedule to accept and attend this function. The presence of such a personality is a blessing. She is having 22 years of experience in this teaching field. Moreover, she is a motivational speaker. She has presented many research papers and published many journals. She has got many awards, Best Student Award, Best Research Paper Award, etc. Now she is guiding research scholars of MPhil and PhD. I'm very happy to introduce such a personality. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kalai. It's indeed my pleasure to join you back, Kalai.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I wholeheartedly welcome all of our staff and students for the inauguration of Nutella. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good people bring out the good in people. Good people bring out the good in people. Such an eminent person is our principal, madam. May I now request our principal, ma'am, to deliver the inaugural and presidential address.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible, Priya?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. A great pleasure in joining you on this virtual platform on this happy occasion when we are here to inaugurate the activities of Nutella 2021. I have great pleasure in once again having Dr. Geeta in our midst. Geeta actually belongs to the TKC family. She originates from this, and God blessed her with a government job, and now she is with Chikana Government Arts. So I'm really very happy that we have a really apt person to inaugurate the activities of this association for this academic year. Though COVID-19 has kept us apart, it could not prevent us from coming together on this virtual platform. So really we need activities to bring out our innate talents, and Nutella 2021 I'm sure will give you opportunities to develop yourself. The degrees of today are not sufficient. The good percentage of marks, the gold medals are all one part of the cake, whereas the other one is the most important one, which is your soft skill. The industry today requires people with skills. So these skill sets actually are present within us, and God has blessed each one of us with different types of skills. But it is our duty to bring out these innate talents, and I'm sure that Nutella 2021 will provide you ample chances to bring out your hidden talents. So I request the students to make use of the opportunities that are provided, and I'm really happy that we have Geeta with us today to enlighten us on this happy occasion. She needs no introduction. She's full of enthusiasm, always a great motivator. So she's the most apt person today to inaugurate these activities. And I wish Nutella 2021 all the best. And I'm happy to have Geeta in our midst. I also take this opportunity to congratulate Dr. Kalai Selvi, the head of the department, and her team of dedicated staff who work meticulously for the welfare of the department. So my best wishes for the activities to be carried out in this academic year. So hope you make use of the opportunities. Though we are not able to see each other, we're able to gather together on this platform. So whatever opportunities are thrown open to you, I request all the students to make use of the opportunities. My best wishes once again. Thank you one and all. Over to you, Mona.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much, ma'am.
Now it's time to introduce the office bearers of Nutella 2021 of this academic year. The nomination form was given to the student volunteers who enthusiastically participated in nominating for the post of Nutella 2021. Around 15 students nominated, and 2 of them was rejected due to the incorrect since they were not filled properly. Among these 15 applications, 3 posts were selected: secretary, department secretary, and vice secretary from second year, department secretary and treasurer from third year. So the department secretary goes to Kanimoli M of 3rd BCA B. She won the vote among the second election held among the staff members. And next, when we take the treasurer, the post goes to S. Sarani. And regarding the vice secretary, S. Anushya of 2nd BCA B was selected as the vice secretary. Now it's time for them to take the pledge. Now I request the department secretary, Kanimoli, to take the pledge.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for selecting me as a department secretary, ma'am. Now I'm taking a pledge to protect the integrity of our department and college, to honor my teachers, parents, and my friends. I respect and accept the responsibility consequence of my actions. I pledge I will be gentle, generous, truthful, kind, brave, and honest in my actions and behavior. I will be abide by the rules and regulations of our college. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kanimoli. Next, I request the treasurer S. Sarani to take her pledge.
Hello everyone, this is Sarani of 3rd BCAA. I have been selected for the post of treasurer. I thank all my beloved teachers for selecting me as a treasurer. I pledge to protect the integrity of our department and college, to honor my teachers, parents, and friends. I respect and accept the responsibility and consequences of my actions. I pledge I'll be gentle, generous, faithful, kind, and brave in my all actions and behavior. I pledge I'll abide by the rules and regulations of our college. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sarani. Next, I request Anushya, the Vice Secretary of Nutella, to take her pledge.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anushya from 2nd BCAA. Thank you for every staff for selecting me as Vice Secretary. As the Association Office Bearer of Nutella 2020-21 of Department of Computer Application of Tirupur Kumaran College for Women, I pledge to protect the integrity of our department and college, to honor my teachers, parents, and friends. I respect and accept the responsibility and consequences of my actions. I pledge I'll be gentle, generous, truthful, kind, brave, and honest in my actions and behavior. I pledge I'll abide by the rules and regulations of our college. Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's time for be the person that makes Be the person that makes others feel special. Be the person that makes others feel special. Such a special person is our today's chief guest, Dr. Geeta ma'am. May I now request her to deliver the today's address. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Mohana. Mohana, am I audible and am I visible, Mohana?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Am I visible?
No, ma'am, but once if you start presenting, I think
Okay.
you may be visible, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mohana. Let me start.
Thank you, ma'am.
A warm good morning to one and all gathered here for this virtual meeting of Association Inaugural of BCA Department of Tirupur Kumaran College for Women. At the outset, let me first thank the principal of the college, Dr. Rachel Nancy Phillip, who is also one of my mentor, who had inspired me to reach greater heights. Thank you, ma'am. My dear students, as she had rightly said, I belong to TKC family. I started my career from Kumaran College. In the year 1998, I joined as a lecturer in Computer Science Department of Tirupur Kumaran College. So, my dear students, really, it's indeed a pleasure for me to joining you on the association inaugural of BCA department. My dear students, I would like to share one information about your principal, Madam Dr. Rachel Nancy Phillip. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. Let me repeat. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. My dear first year students of BCA, you all entered Tripur Kumaran College for Women and BCA department, and you had a 5-day orientation program. My dear students, as of to my knowledge, with my limited knowledge, I can tell you that only Kumaran College has initially started this virtual orientation program. And that's all. And the credit goes to your principal, Madam Dr. Rachel Nancy Phillip. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity once again to come back to the college and to come back to the department. Next, let me place my thanks to Head of the Department of BCA, Dr. C. Kalai, who is also a good friend of mine. Thank you, Kalai, and all the staff members of BCA department, the organizing committee, and all my friends in the BCA department. It's indeed my pleasure to come back home. My dear students, I wish and welcome all the first year, second year, and third year students of BCA, and I wish all the office bearers of BCA department to reach greater heights. Nothing should stop us, my dear girls. We must have greater dreams. We must have big ambitions. And you must have a desire and passion to reach their dreams and goals. So once again, I wish you all, my dear young girls, my dear young and ignited minds. And let me thank once again for the opportunity given to me to join you on the association inaugural of BCA department. Once again, let me thank one and all. And my dear students, am I audible? Am I clear in my presentation? You just kindly type in the chat box, my dear girls. Am I clear and audible? Am I reaching you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. If you have any problem, you just get back to me. Either you can type in the chat box or you can unmute and you can clarify, my dear young girls. So let me share my presentation. The process is going on. So my dear young girls, I have chosen this topic as spread your wings. And really, while preparing this presentation, I was enjoying to the core, my dear students. So such a nice topic. I really appreciated myself. I just gave a pat over myself for choosing a right topic, my dear girls. While I was preparing this presentation for you, I came across beautiful things and I just wanted to share with you, my dear girls. I think my screen is visible to you. Am I correct, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So my PPT is visible. Can anyone tell me what is displayed on the screen, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, girls. Thank you, girls. Thank you for the interaction, because that is the primary thing needed by any speaker. Okay. So my screen is visible. Am I right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
first slide? What is the first slide you are? What is the first slide you are seeing?
White screen only.
White screen only. Okay, okay. I think the PPT is getting opened. Okay, let us not waste our time, my dear young girls. So, girls, we are going to live only once in this world. And that we should not miss it. We must make use of the best, my dear girls. One life we are going to live, and let us make use of the best. Nothing should stop us. Nothing should stop us from reaching our goals. And nothing is impossible, my dear young girls. Even during this pandemic period, COVID-19, we all must make up our minds. We must mentally strong. We must be mentally stable to reach your goals. So for that, my dear girls, I think my PPT is not still opening. Okay, I just don't want to miss the time. Okay, so let me keep on communicating. I think now it is visible. Am I correct, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank God. So, my dear young girls, now I would like to share the first key point here is technology sometimes may not support us. We should not depend on the technology. Instead, one must depend on oneself. So, my dear young girls, the first key point I want to share here is now you see, I just wanted to share my presentation, but there was a gap. There was a vacuum. So, in that time, let me share, I shared some of the thoughts with you. So, we must always be prepared for the worst. So, my dear students, always prepare for the worst and try to adapt to the situations and try to embrace the change. So, whatever happens, let us adapt and let us embrace the change. So, let us go on to the presentation, my dear young girls. So, spread your wings. So, this is our title today. And let me see to that I am giving the best so that you are also able to spread your wings and fly high in the sky. So, the second slide says, if you don't spread your wings, you will not discover how far you can fly. Yes, that is true, my dear young girls. We must spread our wings. We must know our potentials. As our principal madam has rightly said, all the innate potentials. So the department is organizing such functions because to bring out all your innate potentials, to bring out your talents, to bring out your skills. So their skills, the talents, the potentials are nothing but our wings. So if you don't spread our wings, we will not know how far we can fly, my dear girls. So try to spread your wings. Only then we will discover how far we can fly and how great we can reach. And the true secret behind spreading your wings and flying high in the sky is nothing but harness your mind power for success. My dear young girls, the mantra, the essence of this speech is how we are going to fly high in the sky, how we are going to be successful in our life, how we are going to reach greater heights. So the secret is, the mantra is harness our mind power for success. My dear young girls, our mind is a magic. Our mind is a marvelous thing in this world. It can do wonders. But the thing is, we have to harness the mind power. We have to train our mind. We have to train the mind so that we can reach greater success. My dear young girls, let me come out in Tamil so that you can understand. So, harness means, எப்படி நம்ம குதிரைக்கு கடிவாளம் போடுறோம். It will get focused. The vision of the horse will get focused. It will see only the road. So, harness means அந்த கடிவாளம் போடுற மாதிரி. So that our mind is focused. We are focusing. We are concentrating on our goals. We are concentrating on our goals and objectives. So that is the secret, my dear young girls. So in order to reach greater heights, in order to achieve all your dreams, in order to scale greater heights, the secret is, my dear young girls, let us train our mind. Let us focus our mind to reach success. So everything is in our mindset, my dear young girls. If I want to reach greater heights, yes, it is in my hands. If I want to sit idle in my home, if I want to scare about COVID-19, if I want to fear about everything in this world, yes, it is also possible, my dear young girls. So understand, everything is in our mindset and everything is in our attitude. So that is the key message I want to stress you, my dear young girls. So remember these words. Remember this text. Harness your mind power for success. Yes, my dear young girls, now tell me, what is that this particular slide conveys to you? Anyone, you can unmute and you can tell me, what is this slide conveys you? Even you can come out in Tamil if you are comfortable with Tamil. I want only the core message. Yes, my dear girls, you can try. You can make a try, ma. What is this particular slide depicts to us? I think someone is trying. Yes, you can unmute and you can share, ma. Yes.
Outside look is not important, ma'am.
Outside look is not important. Okay, very good. Then any other thing, ma? You can introduce and you can share your thoughts, ma, so that others will also know. Okay, so what this particular slide throws the strong message is, my dear girls, the animal which is looking into the mirror is cat, but in the reflection, it sees itself a lion. So, my dear girls, only cat is looking into the mirror, but in the mirror, the cat sees the reflection of a lion. So, as a majestic lion, the majestic legendary lion, we must also have a very strong positive outlook of oneself, my dear girls. பார்க்கறது பூனை தான், பட் ஆனா பூனை எப்படி பாக்குது? தன்னை ஒரு லயனா பாக்குது, ஒரு மெஜஸ்டிக், காட்டுல எப்படி கம்பீரமா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? சோ அந்த மாதிரி லைனா பாக்குது. So we must also have that iron mindset, that iron and steel never say die attitude towards us. So whatever limitations we have, whatever incapabilities we have, let us ignore it. Let us focus only on the positive aspect. Let us see only on the potentials. Let us focus only on the caliber and strength we possess. So that's what the strong message this slide shows us, my dear girls. Yes. It is not a magic, my dear girls. If you want to fly high, if you want to motivate yourself, if you want to always keep yourself in that spirit, it is a practice. It is a habit we have to train, my dear girls. And for that, you must know what are all the core concepts. That is why I am sharing this particular slide, my dear girls. So there are 5 dimensions of wellness. So they are intellectual, which is nothing but the academic or knowledge we are gaining from learning textbooks and resources. Then social networking, how you keep with your family, friends, relatives and neighbors. Third component is nothing but physical wellness, how you keep yourself physically fit by going for gym, by going for walking, by doing yoga and all other things. So that is nothing but physical wellness. And the fourth wellness is spiritual wellness, which is nothing but have a belief in God, have a belief in the supreme power. So that is the the fourth component, spiritual wellness. And my dear young girls, the most and powerful dimension of wellness is nothing but emotional wellness. So emotional wellness or mental wellness is the powerful and is the core, my dear girls. Among these 5 components of wellness, intellectual, social, physical, spiritual, emotional well-being is the must, mandatory and core, my dear girls. Only if you are emotionally strong, only if you are mentally stable, only if your mental state is in a good state, the rest of the 4 components, intellectual, social well-being, physical and spiritual well-being, will go together smooth, my dear girls. So my dear young girls, remember this point. One have to be emotionally well. Only then rest of the 4 components will go together. So my dear young girls, to fly high, to reach greater heights, among the 5 components of wellness, let us concentrate more on emotional well-being, that is mental well-being. If you make up your mindset, if you have decided, yes, nothing can stop you, nothing can prevent you, then nothing in this entire universe can stop you, my dear girls. So that is the power of emotional wellness. That is the power of mental stability. Then if you are strong, then the rest of the 4 components will also go along with the emotional component. Then as a whole human being, you will be successful, my dear young girls. You, even during this pandemic period, even during this COVID-19, one has to be emotionally strong. Don't get scared of COVID-19 or virus or this pandemic, my dear young girls. If you think nothing can deter you, nothing is going to affect you. If if your immunity is more, if you are resistant, then virus, even though it may be present in your body, it will not play an active role, my dear girls. So the important point I want to stress here is, my dear young girls, among the 5 components of wellness, you just focus on the emotional wellness as a prime factor. Rest of the factors will come along. So as a whole, you will be successful in your life. So that is why we have to understand what is the truth, what is the core belief behind one successful component. So that is why I shared this particular slide, my dear young girls. Now let us move on to the next slide. Yes, I just want to share what are all the strategies, that is plan of actions designed to achieve a long term or overall aim. All these things you know, my dear young girls, but I just want to reinforce it. I just want to again and again, repeatedly, not only by by myself, your department staff, again your parents, again your neighbors, your friends, well wishers, everybody will be saying the things. So all these things are reinforced again and again, because it has to get embedded in our subconscious mind, my dear young girls. If all these strategies, if it gets embedded in our subconscious mind, automatically, my dear young girls, we can reach greater heights. So that is why I just charted out what are the visions you must have. So let me quickly go through it. I'm not going to explain each and everything, because you all know all these things very well. Only thing is, I just want to reinforce it. So that is my objective, my dear young girls. So the first component, identify your goals. Be specific what you want to achieve. Then prepare an action plan, how we are going to carry out. Then dream and imagine the goal again and again, my dear young girls. You have identified your goals, you are very clear and you are specific. But the third component says, dream and imagine the goal again and again. Whenever you are idle or whenever you find time, you just bring into it again and again, so that it will get embedded in your subconscious, and it will see to that that dream turns into a reality, my dear young girls. Then the fourth is affirmations as mental tool. My dear young girls, read it as mental tool. Affirmations, that is called as positive affirmation. You must always say, yes, I can do it. If I am not able to do it, who else is going to do it? That is called as positive affirmations. Again and again, you have to insist, you have to reinforce. So that is called as affirmations as mental tool. Then the fifth step is visualize it. This is a very important component, my dear girls. You have to visualize. You have to bring it. You have to bring it to your vision again and again. Suppose if you want to become an IAS officer, you always imagine that you have become an IAS officer. You are going to your office. Everybody is greeting you. You are taking your seat. You are taking your green pen. You are making a signature. So all these things you have to visualize it, my dear young girls. Only then this dream, this visualization will become a reality. Then my sixth tool is transmit to your thoughts. Whatever you visualize, whatever you have it as a dream, you transmit, you transform those as your thoughts. For thoughts will become as words. For words will turn out into actions. And finally, actions will turn out into results and goals, my dear young girls. So these are the steps, my dear girls, and that is what the next slide shows. We all know a small seed becoming a big tree. So that is nothing but, the process is nothing but, the transformation is nothing but, thoughts turn into actions, actions turn into habits, habits turn into character, and character turn into destiny. So my dear young girls, always have a good thought. Always have the thought of your dream, what you want to become. And if you nurture it, if you nurture it, if you flourish it, definitely, my dear girls, all your thoughts will become a big tree. It will become your destiny. So that is the power of your thoughts, my dear young girls. So girls, you see on the left hand side of the slide, thoughts not only turn into words, thought also turn into your destiny. So everything begins with a thought. My dear girls, look into this carefully. Just think over it. You ponder over it. Thoughts. Thoughts are the basic. Thoughts are the seeds. Thoughts not only turn into words, thoughts become your destiny, my dear girls. So choose your thoughts. Always have powerful, positive thoughts. Power of thoughts. You understand the power of thoughts. Because thoughts are going to turn into words and thoughts are going to turn into your destiny. You just visualize this. You have a quick photo of this slide and have it in your mind. Yes, with that, we move on to the next slide, ma. Yes, my dear young girls. Can anyone unmute and tell me what this particular slide conveys to us, ma?
Colorful
Anyone of
Kannadi,
you
ma'am. Colorful Kannadi, ma'am.
Colorful Kannadi. Very good. What's your name, ma?
Archana, ma'am.
Archana. Very good, Archana. Thank you for sharing. Colorful Kannadi. Next.
Everyone has unique character, ma'am.
Very good. Everyone has unique characters. What's your name, ma?
Soundarya, ma'am.
Soundarya. Good Soundarya. Very good perspective. Yes, everyone has got unique characters. Anybody else, ma? Anybody?
Thank
Just
you,
give
ma'am.
a try. Nothing wrong. Even you can come out in Tamil, my dear girls. I just want to understand what this picture says. What is your perspective about this slide? Okay. Let me share one important thing about this slide. So what this slide conveys is, my dear young girls, different types of
Characters, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You are right. What's your name, ma?
Tamilarsi, ma'am.
Tamilarsi, yes, you are right. Different types of characters. Very good. Yes, my dear young girls, whatever you said is right. I am going to agree with you. So, it is nothing but different perspectives. Suppose if I wear a green color spectacle, the world is going to look green. If I am going to wear a red color spectacle, the entire world is going to look red. The same thing goes for the rest of the colors. So, my dear young girls, the core message this particular slide conveys is everything is in our perspective. Let me repeat it. Everything is in our perspective. How we are going to view the world the same way. நான் எப்படி பார்க்கறனோ அப்படிதான் இந்த உலகம் தெரியும். Let me repeat it. நான் எப்படி பார்க்கறனோ அப்படிதான் இந்த உலகம் தெரியும். Suppose if I wear a green spectacle, then everything will be green. If I wear blue, everything will be blue. So everything is in my mindset. Everything is in my perspective. Everything is in my outlook. My dear young girls, you all very well know the story of an elephant which was touched by 4 visually challenged people. Am I correct? யானை கதை தெரியும்லம்மா? ஒரு யானைய 4 கண்ணு பார்வையற்றவர்கள் தொட்டு பார்த்தாங்க இல்லையா? 4 பேர் எப்படி சொன்னாங்க அந்த யானைய? காலை மட்டும் தொட்டு பார்த்தவர் எப்படி சொன்னாரு? So, the first person who touched the leg of an elephant, he said, elephant is nothing like a pillar. The second person who touched the tail of the elephant told that elephant is nothing but a rope. The third person who touched the trunk of the elephant, he told it is nothing like a giant snake. The fourth blind person who touched the body of the elephant, he said it was like a big mat. So, my dear young girls, we all know that all the 4 blind people or the visually challenged people, whatever they shared is wrong, because they touched only one part of the elephant and they came to conclusion that it was like a snake, it was like a pillar, it was like a small rope, and it was like a big mat. But everybody are wrong, because elephant, we know it is a majestic and a huge giant animal. So, my dear young girls, you understand the metaphor of this slide. You understand the metaphor. தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவோம்லமா உருவகப்படுத்தி பார்க்கிறது. Understand the metaphor of this slide, which is nothing but our perspective, our outlook. நம்ம எப்படி பார்க்கிறோமோ அப்படிதான் இந்த உலகம் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஒருத்தங்களை வந்து நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்டா பார்க்கணும்னா ஃப்ரெண்டா பார்க்கலாம். சப்போஸ் இஃப் ஐ ஹேவ் அ குட் ஒப்பீனியன் அபவுட் a person called as A, I will say that she is a good person. If I have a negative aspect about her, I will say that she is a bad person. So it is in my mindset, it is in my perspective, it is in my outlook. So my dear young girls, the thing we have to change is in our attitude. We must always have a positive attitude. We must always have a positive outlook. Then the world will also look positive. So attitude is very important, my dear young girls. Always have a positive attitude and positive outlook. And next important is believe in yourself. That is the first and foremost, my dear young girls. Believe in yourself. Yes. The next slide says, whatever problems, challenges, setbacks, failures, defeats, hurdles, etc., whatever you term, தோல்வின்னு சொல்லுங்க, இடைஞ்சல்கள் சொல்லுங்க, failure சொல்லுங்க, கஷ்டம் சொல்லுங்க, everything, whatever the term you use it, my dear young girls, everything is going to make us stronger, smarter, and wiser. This is an universal truth, my dear young girls. Understand this. Understand the core essence of this slide. Problems நம்ம ஃபேஸ் பண்ணோம்னா you are becoming stronger. Next time problem வந்தா என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, ச்சே இதுதானா, இதை விட நான் எத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம் பார்த்திருக்கேன், this I will handle அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவீங்க. So whenever you are in a problematic state or a challenging state, don't lose heart, don't give up. You welcome the problem, you welcome the challenge, because it is going to make you stronger, my dear girls. It is going to make you smarter. It is going to make you wiser. Imagine this COVID-19. This is a problematic situation. World never expected like this to happen. Nobody dreamt of COVID virus. We have never heard of this term. Pandemic and all we have never heard of. We have heard only epidemic. We had not been used to the term pandemic. COVID-19 virus, we have never heard of it. But it has become a reality. But now we are able to adapt to the new normal, my dear girls, and that is what I want to share with you, my dear young friends. Problems and challenges will make us stronger. This COVID-19, this pandemic era, you just see, my dear young girls, if this COVID is not there, I would have been to your institution where you would have a physical contact. But this COVID-19 did not deter us, did not deter the BCA department from carrying out this association inaugural function. So that is the challenge it has thrown open, and we have handled it. So that is the way we must view it. That is the way one must have a perception towards the challenges. நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாருங்கம்மா, இப்ப இந்த அசோசியேஷன் இனாகுரல் ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து நம்ம டிராப் பண்ணிட்டோமா, கோவிட் இருக்கு, பிசிக்கலா யாரும் பண்ண முடியாது, நம்ம டிராப் பண்ணிட்டோமா? இல்லையே. We have carried out in an online platform. We have carried out in a digital platform. So that is called as embrace the change. Let us accept the fact. Let us adapt to the new normal. So, my dear young girls, understand that all the problems, challenges, setbacks, failures, defeats, hurdles, you look into the history of all the victorious people, successful people, my dear girls, everyone will have a story. If you ask me personally, because now I don't have time, even I can show you personal stories of mine. All the problems, challenges I have faced, but that has only made me stronger, my dear girls. I remember, my dear girls, let me share only one small incident, because at least you will get the core essence of this particular slide. When I was doing 6th standard, that was the first time I was pushed to the stage by my Tamil sir. So, but I don't want to miss that chance. I just grabbed that opportunity. I went to the stage. That was the first time. I just went to the stage. I was standing before the mic. I could see lot of my friends sitting over there. All my teachers were there. And that was the first time I stood before the mic. I was holding the mic. and I was in total fear. நீங்க சொல்லுவீங்களா டைப் படிக்குதுன்னு, அதே மாதிரி தான். ஸோ தட் வாஸ் மை மைண்ட் செட். பிசிக்கலி எனக்கு டைப் தான் அடிச்சுது, கை கால் நடுங்குது, ரொம்ப ஸ்வெட் ஆகுது, அந்த மைக்கை கெட்டியா நான் பிடிச்சுக்கிட்டேன். பட் I saw people, I saw my friends laughing at me, making mock at me, but that did not deter me from delivering my content, whatever I have by heart, whatever I had in my mind. I just vomited everything. Though I didn't get praise in that first debut performance, but I was slowly able to overcome the fear. I was becoming more confident. It made me stronger to prepare well, to face the audience, to overcome my fear, particularly stage fear. And today I'm giving you a presentation. Not only here, my dear young girls, I am having a passion to want to become a successful motivational speaker. That is one of my dream. That is one of my passion. So the first incident when my friends mocked at me, when my friends made a fun of me, I didn't took it in a negative way. Avamanam solrom illaya? So that did not deter me. That did not stop me. Instead, I took it only as a positive fire. That positive fire turned me to a speaker. Geeta is able to identify herself as a very good motivational speaker. That is only because of the first incident that happened in my 6th standard, my dear young girls. So whatever you face, don't see it as a negative component. See it as a positive fire. See it as a positive catalyst that is going to make us stronger, smarter, and wiser girls. This particular poem I just enjoyed, my dear girls. So I just wanted to share with you. Good timber does not grow with ease. The stronger wind, the stronger trees. The further sky, the greater length. The more the storm, the more the strength. By sun and cold, by rain and snow, in trees and men, good timbers grow. So, by sun and cold, by rain and snow, in trees and men, good timbers grow. Yes. Whatever the poem conveyed, the rest is displayed here. Storm makes trees take deeper roots. My dear young girls, chisel these words. Storms make trees take deeper roots. கஷ்டங்களும் தோல்விகளும் அவமானங்களும் தான் நம்மளை ஒரு பெரிய மனிதரா செதுக்கும்மா. ஓகே. Then spread your wings. It's time to fly. Make the leap. Own the sky. Your wings already exist. All you have to do is fly. Yes, my dear girls, all the talent, all the soft skill, all the innate potential, all the caliber, everything is within you. Only thing is only thing is you have to identify it. You have to tap your potential. Okay, that's what the slide says. Your wings already exist. All you have to do is fly. Everybody has got the potential, ma. Everything is existing within you. Only thing is you identify your wings, spread your wings, and start flying. That's what the slide says. My dear young girls, you would have seen banyan tree. ஆலமரம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? அந்த ஆலமரத்தோட விதை எப்படிமா இருக்கும்? சின்ன விதை, கடுகாட்டம் இருக்கும். அந்த கடுகுக்கு தெரியாது நம்ம இவ்வளோ பெரிய ஒரு ஆலமரமா விருட்சமா வரப்போறோம்னு. யாருக்கு தெரியாது? கடுகு மாதிரி இருக்கு அந்த விதைக்கு தெரியாது. பட் at the right time, at the right environment, the small seed burst opens into a big banyan tree. So everybody has got the potential, my dear girls. உங்களுக்குள்ள எல்லா திறமையும் இருக்கு, எல்லாம் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஐடென்டிஃபை தட். நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு சின்ன விதை தான் அவ்வளோ பெரிய ஆலமரமா விருட்சமா வளருது. அதுக்குள்ள எல்லா பொட்டன்ஷியல்ஸும் உள்ள இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரிதான் உங்களுக்குள்ள எல்லா திறமைகளும் எல்லா சக்திகளும் இருக்கு. அதை நீ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ, புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. பிலீவ் இன் யுவர் செல்ஃப். Tap all your innate potentials. Bring out. Spread your wings. then start flying, my dear young girls. No one can really predict to what heights you might soar. Even you will not know until you spread your wings. சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, அந்த விதைக்குள்ளதான் அவ்வளோ பெரிய ஆலமரம் ஒளிஞ்சிருக்கு. ஆனா அந்த விதைக்கு கண்டிப்பா தெரியாதுமா. அதேதான் இந்த ஸ்லைடும் சொல்லுது. No one can really predict to what heights you might soar. Even you will not know until you spread your wings. எல்லா திறமையும் சக்தியும் உனக்குள்ளதாமா இருக்கு. அந்த சக்தியை திறமையை வெளிக்கொண்டு வா. உனக்கே தெரியாது. Definitely, my dear young girls, at the time of while I was doing 6th standard, I never knew that I am going to become a motivational speaker, that I can give a good presentation. Definitely, I didn't know. But over the period of time, I was able to understand that it was lying deep inside me. It was deeply buried inside me. The 6th standard incident made it to come outside. Now I am speaking in front of you only because of the 6th standard incident when all my friends mocked at me, keli pananga, kindle pananga. Some of them threw some papers also. But that did not deter me, my dear girls. அந்த இன்சிடென்ட் தான் இப்ப என்ன வந்து என்ன பண்றது, உங்க முன்னாடி என்ன பேச வச்சிருக்கு. So you will not know. உனக்கே தெரியாது. பட் பொறுமையா உட்கார்ந்து நம்மளால என்ன முடியும், நம்மளுக்கு என்னென்ன திறமைகள் இருக்கு, சக்திகள் இருக்குன்னு பொறுமையா உனக்குள்ளேயே யூ இன்ட்ராஸ்பெக்ட் யோர் செல்ஃப். உன்னையே நீயே செல்ஃப் அனலைஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்க. டெஃபினெட்லி யூ வில் ஃபைண்ட் யோர் ஸ்ட்ரென்த்ஸ், யூ வில் ஃபைண்ட் யோர் பொட்டன்ஷியல்ஸ் அண்ட் மேக்கிங் யூஸ் ஆஃப் தட் யூ கேன் கம் கிரேட்டர் ஹைட்ஸ், மை டியர் கேர்ள்ஸ். Spread your wings and soar off into the distance. எவ்வளோ பெரிய ட்ரீம் நீங்க வச்சிருக்கீங்க, எவ்வளோ கனவுகளோட நீங்க நுழைஞ்சிருக்கீங்க இந்த காலேஜ்ல, இந்த கோர்ஸ் நீங்க படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. So understand that and you go to the far off distance. We all know, we have heard of Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so all the women athletes, successful women in politics, in science and technology. Okay, so all your friends, neighbors, everybody has only able to identify their potentials. They have spread their wings and they're able to soar to the greater heights. You are also capable of doing it, my dear girls. Until you spread your wings, you will have no idea how far you can fly. Same and same. I'm repeating again and again. All these motivational quotes are repeating the same point. And this particular saying was shared by Napoleon the Great. Until you spread your wings, you will have no idea how far you can fly. For that, I can share a small story, my dear young girls. So, there was an eagle, and the eagle dropped its egg among the hen. ஒரு ஈகிள் என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, அதோட முட்டைய வந்து கோழி எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த இதுல வந்து போட்டுருச்சு. சோ தட் ஈக்லெட், அந்த குட்டி கழுகு என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, அந்த கோழி குஞ்சோடையே வளர்ந்துட்டு வந்துச்சு. சோ அந்த கோழி குஞ்சு மாதிரி குட்டி குட்டியா ஓடுறது, குட்டி குட்டியா ஜம்ப் பண்றது, கொத்தி கொத்தி சாப்பிடுறதுன்னு என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, இந்த ஸ்மால் ஈக்லெட் வாஸ் among the chicken and it was behaving, having the attitude of the chick. அந்த குட்டி கோழி குஞ்சாட்டமே அதுக்கு ஆட்டிடியூட் இருந்துச்சு, அது மாதிரியே எல்லாமே பண்ணிட்டு இருந்துச்சு. It never knew that it can fly high. So அப்படியே அந்த ஈகிள் வந்து கோழி குஞ்சாட்டமே எல்லாமே பண்ணிட்டு இருந்துச்சு. as it grew bigger, கொஞ்சம் சைஸ் பெருசாக பெருசாக அது கோழி குஞ்சாட்டமே தான் பிஹேவ் பண்ணுச்சு. It imagined itself only like a hen. தான் ஒரு ஹென்னு தான் நினைச்சிச்சு. All its attitude, behavior, everything, outlook, everything was similar to that of a hen. One day, one of the eagle came and delivered the truth to it. ஏன் இப்படி கோழிகாட்ட இருக்கிற, உனக்குள்ள அத்தனை திறமை இருக்கு, உன்னால பறக்க முடியும் அப்படின்றாப்ல. Then for the first time the young eagle made an attempt to fly and it started to flying high in the sky. Then after reaching high in the sky, it could see the world, it could see the entire world below and it was enjoying the most. அப்பதான் தெரிஞ்சது, இவ்வளோ பெரிய உலகமா, நம்மளால இவ்வளோ பறக்க முடியுமா, இவ்வளோ ஹைட்டுக்கு பறக்க முடியுமான்னு தெரிஞ்சு. அப்ப அங்க இருந்து பார்க்கும்போது அந்த கோழி குஞ்செல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போதுதான் தெரிஞ்சது, சே இப்படி நம்ம இருந்துட்டோமே, இவ்வளோ திறமை இருந்தும் நம்ம அதை கவனிக்காம தெரிஞ்சுக்காம விட்டுட்டோமேன்னு இட் வாஸ் லேட்டர் ரிக்ரெட்டிங். நம்மளுக்கு அந்த ராமாயணத்துல ஹனுமான் கதை தெரியும். சுக்ரீவர் ஹனுமான்கிட்ட சொல்றாப்ல அவ்வளவு திறமைகள் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னவன் ஹனுமானுக்கே அந்த கரேஜ் வந்துச்சு. ஓகே, அந்த அரேபியன் சீயை கிராஸ் பண்ணி நம்மளால ஸ்ரீலங்கா போக முடியும்னு அப்பதான் ஹனுமானுக்கே தெரிஞ்சுது. ஹி வாஸ் ஹேவிங் ஆல் த பொட்டன்ஷியல். ஹனுமான் மாதிரி ஒரு சக்தி உள்ளவங்க யாருமே இல்ல. பட் ஹி வாஸ் நாட் அவேர் ஆஃப் இட். ஹி டிடன்ட் நோ த ட்ரூத். ஹனுமானுக்கே தெரியல நம்மளுக்குள்ள இத்தனை திறமை இருக்கா, நம்மளால அந்த கடலை கடந்து ஸ்ரீலங்கா போக முடியுமா, சீதையை பார்க்க முடியுமா, ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியுமா, ராமருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியுமாங்கிறது. It was a big question of doubt for Hanuman until otherwise it was exposed by Sugriva to Lord Hanuman. So similarly, my dear young girls, you all have that potentials. எல்லா திறமையும் உனக்குள்ளதான் இருக்கு. You identify yourself. You have a good team. You have a good mentor. You have a good guide. They will be able to tap your potentials. Then you will be able to identify it. Then you can come successfully, my dear young girls. So until you spread your wings, you will have no idea of how far you can fly. Kalpana Chawla, she never dreamt while she was doing her undergraduate course in Punjab, she never knew she's going to fly to moon. She's going to fly to space. But she did it. So that is how far you can fly. Now you can't tell. But identify it. Then definitely you know what's your caliber is, my dear young girls. With brave wings, she flies. You see this slide, my dear girls? With brave wings, she flies. Braveness, confidence, fearless, courage. That's what. We all have heard of Malala. She had the guts to say to the Taliban terrorist that she is Malala when AK-47 was pointed towards her head. Because the Taliban terrorists were against education, especially against women education. So when they want to kill Malala, the Taliban terrorists were keeping the AK-47 gun in her forehead and were asking Malala itself, who is Malala among the crowd of young girls? நம்ம அந்த டைம்ல அங்க இருந்தா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிருப்போம்? இன்னைக்கு மலாலா வரலைங்க, ஸ்கூலுக்கு லீவுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருப்போம். இல்லைன்னா நான் மலாலா இல்லைங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருப்போம். But Malala, she had the guts, she had the grit, she had the determination to say that I am Malala and I fear none in this world. I am Malala and I fear none in this world. That was the word she uttered when the Taliban terrorists were having the gun in her forehead. She was shot, she was injured, and she underwent surgery, the rest of the history, and she won the Nobel Peace Prize for Peace. Only because of her courageous, only because of her braveness, only because of the grit, the guts, the determination she had. So, my dear young girls, let us also have that braveness, courageousness, confidence to face this world, to face against the injustice that is happening to us, not only to us, but to the society. So, with brave wings, you also fly, my dear young girls. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. This is a fantastic and wonderful slide, my dear girls. I really enjoy it. I just love it. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Yes, my dear girls. All small petty issues we have to drop down. Like petty issues like, I am not looking good, I have not studied in a good college, my parents are not educated, I don't have a good background, I didn't have a good environment. All these small petty issues, you drop it down. Inferiority complex, you drop it down. All the negative things about yourself, drop it down. What are all the limitations you have? Drop it down. What are all the inhibitions you have? Drop it down. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. எஸ் மை டியர் கேர்ள்ஸ், நம்மளே prevent பண்ணும். All these small petty issues will prevent us from reaching greater heights. Whatever may be, I am not looking good, I am not looking tall, I don't look fair, I don't have a good English communication, I cannot speak and I will not speak English. All those negative thoughts. எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் வராது, எனக்கு மேக்ஸ் வராது, நான்லாம் எங்க லைஃப்ல சாதிக்க போறேன். Don't have such small negative inferiority thoughts. Because those negative things will pull us down, my dear girls. Always have a high opinion about yourself. So that's what I shared a previous slide. Believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. Only then the entire world will believe you. Only then you can prove it to the world. So believe yourself, my dear girls. And small negative petty issues, you just drop it. They are immaterial. Let us not focus on the negative issues. Let us not focus on the limitations. We know many people who are physically challenged, they are able to. Arnima Sinha, she was the first disabled woman who climbed Mount Everest. You just go through Google and Google it about her story, my dear girls. Arnima Sinha. You look into the story of Sudha Chandran. People who have disabilities, who met with accidents, but still they're able to create wonders because they dropped all their negatives down. So you also drop all your negatives, my dear young girls. As an young growing girl, you will also have some inferior complex about yourself. You may be having some negative thoughts about yourself. Drop it down. If you drop all those things, definitely you will fly high, my dear girls. Never hide your wings, for without them, you would not have flown above the past. Always show them, for they are the strength that you have become. Don't hide your wings. Don't hide it. Whatever it is, don't hide it. Accept the truth. Accept the reality. So that is what the slide says. Never hide your wings. Accept the truth. Accept the reality. Then definitely, when you're able to accept it, when you're able to accept yourself, then success is yours, my dear girls. Here, this particular slide tells you everything, my dear girls. You have got to spread your wings if you really want to fly. Take risks. Try new things. Go places you haven't gone. Be willing to know. Be okay with making mistakes. And you will go further than you could have ever dreamed possible. Take risk. Try new things. Go places where you haven't been. Be willing to learn. Be okay with making mistakes. And you will go further than you could have ever dreamed or dreamt possible. That is the truth. So you remember the story of eagle, my dear girls. When it was among the chicks, it was having the attitude of chick only. It never dreamt that it can fly high, it can soar high. But having realized the eagle was able to fly high and it enjoyed the world. It had a different perspective of the world, different perception of the world. Yes, you will also have that perception, my dear girls. The world will be definitely beautiful to you and the world will welcome your success. The world will celebrate you, my dear girls. That is the reality. That is the truth. Don't see the world as a negative thing. You may be in daily news, we are hearing so many negative things, but that is not the truth. Okay. There is a beautiful world waiting outside to welcome you, my dear girls. You also dive into that world. Enjoy this life. Enjoy this beautiful life. Feel blissful. Stay blessed, my dear young girls. Yes, here I want to share one song. Okay, I think let me see whether I'm able to present it. I think with this, we have come to the end of this slide, ma. I just wanted to play one song to you. Let me try, or else. Just a minute. My lap is not as fast as my speech is, my dear girls. So that is why I never trust and believe the technology. If I want to, if I am asked to speak for 3 hours, yes, I can do it. But the thing is, technology doesn't come along with me, my dear young girls. So, but actually, I wanted to share this song with you. That is what. Okay. So it is opening. Let us not waste time. In the meantime, my dear young girls. So let it open. Let us not wait for that. Okay. So meantime, that was the end of my presentation. That was the end of my slide. And the last thing, I just wanted to play this song for you, my dear girls. Okay. Meantime, if anything you want to ask, anything you want to share, you can do it, ma. Because let the application gets opened. Hope you are all along with me, my dear girls. So anything you want to share, anything you want to ask, you can ask, ma. Let the application take its own time to open. And let us not waste your time and my time. So anything you want to ask, anything you want to get cleared, you can ask me, my dear young girls. The app did not start in required time. Okay, that's what I said. No. Technology will always pull us down. Sometimes it will pull us down. Let me try one more time. Meantime, I would like to hear some queries from your side, my dear girls. Anything you want to share, anything you want to ask, you can ask me. Whatever little knowledge I am having, I would like to share with you, my dear girls. Okay. Let us see whether it's opening. எல்லாரும் எங்க காணாம போயிட்டீங்களா? ஒருத்தருமே क्वेश्चन கேட்க மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க. தனியா பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன் நானு.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
Then you ask. ஏதாவது ஒரு क्वेश्चन கேளுங்கம்மா. ஏன்னா அந்த அப்ளிகேஷன் ஓபன் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. I just wanted to play a beautiful image. Okay, so these are all the inspiring Indian women achievers. My question is, இங்க இடத்துல யாரோட இமேஜ் வரப்போகுது? Who is going to be the next image here, my dear girls? You can answer me for this question at least. இங்க யாரோட இமேஜ் வரப்போகுது? போட்டோ வரப்போகுது.
My image, ma'am.
Yes, who is it? You can tell your name, ma. Very good, very good. Kavya Shri.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kavya Shri. I congratulate
Thank you, ma'am.
Definitely, your image has to come as one of the Indian women achiever. Very good, ma.
Thank
Then
you,
who
ma'am.
else? Who else is in the list, ma? Where yaru?
My image, ma'am.
You just tell your name, ma.
Kanimoli, ma'am.
Kanimoli.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kanimoli, for your interaction and for your positive spirit. That should be the way.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the application is not opening. So, my dear young girls, always have a vision. Okay, a dream to reach greater heights. Actually, it is not opening. Okay. So that was the last slide I was having. My lap has gone slow, ma. That's what. I want to play it parallelly, but it is not supporting. Okay, ma, let us not waste our time. So, my dear young girls, I wish you all to conquer the greater heights you want to scale. So, my best wishes to all the young girls to conquer the world, to conquer your dreams, you conquer your passions. Okay, so with this, let me complete my session, ma. Once again, let me wish you all the best. May God bless you all, my dear young girls. And once again, let me thank PCA department and Tirupur Kumaran College for Women for giving me this wonderful, unique, digital, online, virtual platform for meeting you all. Thank you, my dear girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is it
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Now
ma'am.
it's time for word of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
A warm good afternoon to one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Association of Computer Applications, Tirupur Kumaran College. A hearty thanks to our principal ma'am for her vision and commitment to work with and its distribution. I would like to thank our today's resource person, Dr. A. Geeta, head of the department and assistant professor of computer science department of Chikanna Government Arts College, Tirupur, who honored the occasion by sparing her precious time for inaugurating the new TELA 2021 and delivering a very motivational and an inspiring speech. Her messages, quoting and citing the spectacles, eagle stories are really an eye-opener, ma'am. And thank you very much once again for motivating, triggering the positive spirit among the students. And I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the contribution to our head of the department, Dr. C. Kalai Selvima, whose leadership is always based on an inspiration to work with. I extend my heartiest thanks to all my faculty friends for their evergreen support, and a special thanks to all the students, and finally a wholehearted thanks for all the one for making the function a grand success. Thank you, one and all.